Hey, dude, you got a car you need towed? The white van? You got it. I'll be right back. Anyway, they got guess you heard that they got a van. They got a minivan right here. They want towed off this property. Some kind of company van. I don't know what. Some kind of delivery van. It's got a flat tire. They've left it over here for 3 days, and this gas station there. Anyway, they're not down with this, man. They got to get this car out of here. It is what it is. Anyway, we got that van loaded. Anybody that leaves their vehicle parked at a gas station, I recommend you go inside the gas station and talk to somebody that's in charge. You got to talk to somebody before you leave your van here. It don't matter what gas station you're at, man. That's not public property. You can't just park your vehicles there. This one's been here 3 days. It's possible that they did talk to the manager, and maybe they didn't follow through and come pick the vehicle up when they told the manager or the owner when they were coming to get it. Either way, it's been here 3 days. Today's Saturday, so it's been here since Wednesday or Thursday. And it got towed, man. It's going to the lot. They can come get it from us, but these properties, if they allow people to park on their property and never tow, what happens is you'll have businesses, and this is a business here, this van here, you'll have businesses start parking and using their lot to run their business out of it. It just happens, man. People are very entitled, and they park wherever they want to without taking having any courtesy about it. Anyway, I'm gonna quit yapping and get to the yard. Anyway, looks like we got a couple of we got a Challenger and a Charger. I got to go check the tags on these cars. This office wants these cars towed, and one of them I believe is an RT Challenger. I'm gonna go up here and check the tag, make sure I got the right one. Golly, this one. 2121. This is a scat pack, man. They're not gonna be happy about this scat pack either. Damage on the wheel. Well, this thing's gonna be hard to tow here. That wheel ain't got nothing on. Well, it's got a little spot on it. And that wheel's not too bad. Scat pack Charger, temporary registration, May 3rd. Stickered on it. I think I'm gonna get the Charger first. The Charger first. these office managers, they want something towed, it's gonna get towed, man, if they want it gone. They put stickers on this car. Somebody came out there, pulled the stickers off the car. I mean, like the Charger, it'd been sitting there for a little bit. You could tell by the parking spot, but that Challenger we're going back for, that thing's been being driven. But they are new. Them cars are new. I don't know why the property's towing them, but other than the fact that that's what they do, man. They tow. Back up over here to get this Challenger over here, man. I already took their the other scat pack, the Charger. Now we're gonna get the Challenger if I can get it loaded without tearing it up. My front scoop right there is really, really low. But anyway, we're gonna see what happens. See what I'm doing? I'm raising the vehicle up in the rear because it's going to be really close. I mean, really close to dragging in the rear. I can't drag this car. Anyway, we got the Challenger loaded. The tow guys out there, man, the tow guys out there don't know how to load these, impound a car like that. If you watch what I look at my boards, where I put my boards at and how I did the boards, I raised the rear. I dropped my bed on the boards in the rear and raised it up, you know, board width, and I didn't scrape nothing. I didn't scrape the front or the rear. And that's a hard impound to do without tearing the car up. And then doing this business right here, you can't tear these cars up. I've said it before. Both these two I just towed were brand new, and I didn't put a scratch on either one of them. And it seems like it'd be easy, but it's really not. And I talk a lot of trash on my channel, man. I do a lot of talking on my channel. But I'm gonna tell you this right here, man, I can do it. I can do this kind of towing probably better than anybody driving a flatbed doing impounds. I'm not trying to have a big ego about it, man. Everything I do, man, is blessed by God, man. He gives me the ability do what I do. All glory to God on everything I do. That's just how I roll. I know one thing, he protects me out here, man. It's a miracle I ain't been killed doing this work. It don't take but one instant you get killed out here doing this kind of work. I make no mistake, people die doing this job. It's dangerous. It's good. There's not a scratch on this front end. I used boards on this front end, and there's nothing. I didn't even put a mark on the yellow part.
Beautiful car, you know.
Yeah,
Car and all.
it is. I think what happened here, I'm speculating, they stickered the cars, and nobody called the office. Nobody let them know what unit it was. The cars got temp tags on them, and they don't have it on record who the cars belong to or something like that. So they towed the cars, but the people pulled the stickers off the cars and did not call the office, man. You got to communicate with your office manager. But anyway, that's enough said. I got one more. I got to go check on a bike in a breezeway. But we'll see what happens with this one. We're rolling back in on another property. I don't know who it is or what. I don't know what the deal is on this Acura. They called in this Acura. I don't have any idea why it's supposed to be towed, and I don't understand this right here. I'm going to have to call the people at the management and find out what the deal on this Acura is. What's going on, man? Tow trucker? Yeah, that's me. Listen, hey, they called something in right here. The manager called something in right here. I don't know what it is.
Chris Crack.
Chris Crack?
That's it.
Hey, dude, you got a Instagram or something?
Yeah, but don't worry about me.
All right, man. Hey, nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. Yeah, that's right. That's one of my subs right there, y'all. He recognized the truck. I just pulled on his property. Matter of fact, I got to call the manager. Hey, we're back on again. What they've done, I went by the office. Somehow or another we got the wrong building number, but I got the right building number now. This is a 2500 building. Somebody's parked in a handicap spot, and they don't have any kind of handicap plaque or anything. So we're gonna go up here and yank it. I'm fixing to tow somebody. Here's the 25 building, and there ain't nobody there. It's gone. Wowee. Look at that, look at that. Anyway, that one's gone too. That's the second handicap cheater call I've gotten on this property today. And I did lose, both cars were gone. Well, we didn't get nothing off this property. But anyway, I'm not mad about it. This is just how the business is. I think it's good that this property is protecting the handicap parking spots. They're not letting anybody park in these spots. And this may be something new this property's doing. I guarantee you, they keep calling these cars in. Oh, we're gonna get somebody on the hook over here, and somebody's gonna be paying. I guarantee it. They keep calling. It will happen. And the problem will eventually get fixed when everybody knows on this property not to park in the handicap spots. So we're gonna let the office know they're not there, but we tried. That's all that matters. They just keep calling them in, and somebody's gonna get yanked. Anyway.